Financial argument. Follow us on YouTube.
This viewer is wanting to know, the appointment of Alan Greenspan as chairman of the Federal Reserve in 1987 shocked many, as Greenspan had always been a staunch critic of the Fed and a lifelong gold bug. Bix Weir has long held that Alan Greenspan's low interest rate policies, massive expansion of the money supply, stance against derivative regulation and creation of massive bubbles over his 20 years as chairman of the Federal Reserve was all done on purpose and part of a secret plan to destroy the banking cabal and return the United States to a true gold standard. Do you think that Greenspan may have had a secret agenda at the Fed, or do you think he was just another incompetent political appointee?
Well, I think he knew the truth about gold. He's written about it, and of course I asked him a lot of questions on the banking committee. No, I don't think he had a plan to move us toward the gold standard. I think he was a pragmatist, sort of like Ronald Reagan, spoke great things and people loved him, but he never moved us in any direction, and we spent more money than ever before. So, no, I think he was a pragmatist, and it was easier to paper it over and keep things alive and well, and move the economy along by more borrowing and more debt. And now he's starting to talk again about more sensible things because he doesn't have the liability and the responsibility. But I don't think he had a long-term plan that his disastrous policy would force us into accepting gold, although that may be a consequence. But he could have done a lot more to help us out by just arguing that case rather than rejecting it, outright.
This video was brought to you in part by ReluctantPreppers.com. Click here to watch Reluctant Prepper's latest interview with Bix Weir. In this interview, Bix Weir covers compelling evidence that shows the wheels are falling off of the banking system. He also covers the key risks of major instability as we head into the presidential election. Bix Weir notes that the facade is being stripped away to reveal the ugly, undemocratic truth about big party politics, and ordinary people are becoming enraged. Stay tuned to learn if this is a curse or a blessing in disguise.